Greetings to my V family all over the world. This is your chief. Super excited because I'm recording this just after an unbelievable 3 days of ICE, the Inner Circle Elite with Japadas Bismarck and the one and only Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. And they, the founders, they guided your leadership, all the leaders, the inner circle, all right, the movers and shakers of the V. They gave them direction, inspiration, all right, and most importantly, all right, gave them clarity on their expectation as our grand uplines for this year, 2021. Rise, raise, repeat. Now, one thing I've taken back from the whole ice, which I really want to share with you. And I remember doing this video like maybe 15, 16 years ago called Flames of Passion, where I spoke about these three things with V partner Sati, asked Dato Sri Vijay reaffirmed it, which is compelling reason, burning desire, and sense of urgency. And we also spoke so much about this one word, which I think defines who we are as the V, that is passion. All right? And many of you may not understand, but network marketing is not complicated, guys. And if you're watching me and you are brand new, don't allow your uplines, don't allow the internet, don't allow Google search, don't allow your moronic mind, all right, to complicate this simple yet powerful business concept called network marketing with the greatest company in the world, Qnet, guys. All right, network marketing is so simple that over the years, the only mistake you can make, the only mistake anyone can make is to complicate it. So this is your chief, all right, sharing with you on this Wednesday message, the most fundamentally important aspect of network marketing, simply called passion. Now, what is passion? All right, a lot of people have written to me and said how passionate I am. You have seen the great ones, all right, Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran on stage at VCon, igniting a fire in 20,000 people just with his attitude, his voice, the power, all right, of his passion comes out so strong that you cannot resist it. It is contagious. As Japadas and Dato Sri Vijay and I said, all right, there's one thing about passion. It's contagious. That passion is like a fire that spreads and creates magic in an industry, in an organization, in network marketing. But what is passion? All right, passion is something the other person feels when they listen to you, when they look into your eyes, when they are in power of association with you. That passion comes from within. And you, as a networker, as an entrepreneur, as a part of the Qnet V family, please remember this. Without passion, there is no max out. Without passion, you will not be able to build an organization that is sustainable, that will consistently keep rising every single week, every single day. That passion is the key. So today on this Wednesday message, I want to convey to you the importance of passion. Now, the first thing that every human being, I don't know whether you have a gas cooker in your house, and a gas cooker has something called a pilot fire, a pilot flame. It's in the heaters that you use, the old heaters, not electric gas. There is a small flame that is constantly there, very small. And the minute you switch on the gas, that gas is ignited by that small flame and it goes boom. It becomes a huge fire on your stove, on your gas heater for water, whatever platform you use. Now, every human being has this pilot flame in them. That means everyone you sign up, imagine within them, there is a small pilot flame which has been there since the day they were born. But it has not been ignited to an unbelievable raging fire that can conquer the world. But it's just a small flame. Now, the minute they sign up in network marketing, all right, your duty, our duty as uplines, the Qnet, all right, is to convert that small fire or the pilot flame into a raging, unstoppable, all right, unextinguishable fire, guys. And that is the passion. So now if you meet somebody, they have a small pilot flame in them. What you say, how you say it, the look in your eyes, the confidence in your voice, your body posture, everything is like gas that will ignite that small pilot flame into a raging fire. So if you approach somebody and say, this is a great business, network marketing is an unbelievable concept of e-commerce and you will be able to survive the pandemic. Come on, guys. You got to go there with belief. You got to go there driven by your compelling reason, your dream. Now, don't become crazy. Don't shake the guy and say, wake up, where's your fire? Where's your fire? Psh, psh, psh. Don't do that. You go to jail. Right? It doesn't have to be the loudness of your voice. That passion, yes, it helps when you are stronger with your voice. But even with the most softest voice, passion can be contagious, can be communicated effectively. And ultimately, people are attracted to passionate people. Think about it. Every single person you know who has made a difference in this world, every success story you have ever read or watched on TV, all the icons, including Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran, they have one thing in common. They are passionate people. So before you can ignite the fire in others, the question I have for you, how strong is your fire? Are you fueling it every single day? Are you pumping that gas into it, that fire is raging so strong that it can never be put out? As Japa shared during ICE, all right, that fire needs to be fed every day by your dream, your compelling reason, by your uplines. If your upline is not passionate, please find an upline who's passionate. If your upline does not have enough belief that 2021 will be the greatest year, then find an upline who gives you that passion, whose passion is contagious, transfers through your whole organization. That's what you need to find. That's the true duty of an upline, to ignite the passion in others. That the reason why I've been doing this Wednesday message for 7 years, 7 months, is to keep fueling the fire in you, in your organization. Why Dato Sri Vijay goes up on VCon, does zone, and so many events is to keep that fire burning. Because without that fire, there is no max out. Right? Intellect, knowledge, everything doesn't help you to max out if you don't have that fire. So my question to you is, are you passionate enough? Has your fire died down as you cross to 2021? If you want to start this year right, then make sure that fire is strong. That's all that matters. Everything else, all right, can be taught. Everything else is system-based. But passion is something you must ignite. You must surround yourself with passionate people. Your power of association is all about surrounding yourself with passionate people, talking to people, communicating, even on video, even on Zoom, requires passion. Now, I have taken great pride of being a passionate warrior of Dato Sri Vijay, because 22 years ago, the first time he met me, his focus was to convert my pilot flame. You know, the pilot flame is a small flame into a raging fire. And every day I stay in his zone. Every day I surround myself with the greatest of the warriors to keep my fire raging. Because if there's no fire in me, I won't be able to transfer it to you. If your fire is not strong enough, how are you going to transfer it to others? So many times we get frustrated as networkers that your downlines are not passionate enough. And the question is, are you passionate enough? Because if you are, your downlines will be. If your fire is strong enough, it will transfer. I promise you. It is contagious. Passion is contagious. Now you're watching me on Wednesday message. Can you feel my passion? Can you see it in my eyes? Hear it in my voice? Feel it from my heart? That I go up on VCon stage every time and I say, be a warrior. Now imagine if I go up on stage and say, hey, be a warrior. Come on, you can do it. Be a warrior. Will it be contagious? Will it ignite fire in others? Because what do they need? They need to know that you are passionate as the upline. They need to feel it. They need to see it. They need to know it. This is fundamentally important in network marketing. And if you are going to start 2021, if you want this year to be your greatest year, if you want to achieve your goals this year, if you want your organization to grow and grow and grow even bigger, stronger, louder, rise, raise, repeat, everything, then it comes back to your fire, your flames of passion within you. And guys, everything out there is water. Everything out there is water. All right, challenges, negative media, Google, all right, family don't support, all right, I am getting rejection, too many, blah, blah, blah. All the challenges is water. And that water is constantly splashing onto you. But if your fire is this small, all it takes is one drop of water and that fire will be gone. But if you have a raging inferno inside of you, then let the water come. The fire will remain raging, I promise you. So your ability to transfer passion to your organization is the true definition of a network leader. It's a true definition of a great networker. It is not what you say, it is how you say it. All right? And to be able to communicate anything with passion, it is who you are and how strong that fire is within you. See, somebody felt my passion even on the phone, guys. And this is how you build an organization that will last generations to come. So 2021, fuel that fire. 2021, change your fire into the biggest, most unbelievable, raging inferno that is irresistible. That you can look at somebody and their fire starts. So take your flames of passion and send it through your organization. And as their fires start to grow, as their passion starts to rise, so will their checks, so will the BVs, so will your organization. That's the answer. And I was so happy that Dato Sri Vijay and Japa, our great mentors, spoke about this because they ignited the fire in me 22 years ago. And that fire keeps growing every single day. And if you ever feel that fire becoming small, for whatever reason, that the water waves of negativity is trying to kill that fire, then run and connect yourself back to your upline with the strongest fire. And that will raise your fire of passion. Passion is the answer. The world wants it. That everyone comes into Qnet. everyone who signs up, they want to reignite the passion in their lives and they look for it from you. So what is the answer for 2021? What is going to help you rise and raise is your passion, your fire within you. Focus on that. Focus on keeping that fire strong. And I promise you, 2021 will be your greatest year. I love you guys.